Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the Qinux Aquoxis, a lightweight hose attachment that claims it can boost water pressure for effortless cleaning of your patio, vehicles, and furniture, all without electricity or bulky equipment. Sounds pretty convenient, right? But the big question is it actually legit or is it just another online hype? Before we dive in, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or websites shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading marketing. One of the first things that really stands out with the Qinux Aquoxis is its claim of boosting water pressure up to 15 times without electricity. Let's be real here. According to basic fluid mechanics, a simple hose attachment can't magically multiply the pressure from your home water supply. Most household water pressure is somewhere around 40 to 60 psi, and without a motorized pump like a real pressure washer, it's just not possible. While the nozzle might make the stream feel stronger or more focused, the actual pressure doesn't increase, so that 15 times claim is really unrealistic. Then there's the mysterious hydropower technology. The product keeps mentioning it, but there's no technical explanation of what it actually is or how it works. This is a classic marketing tactic, using technical-sounding words to make a simple nozzle seem advanced. In reality, most hose attachments simply narrow the stream to make the water feel stronger. Without patents, diagrams, or measurable specs, hydropower technology looks like it's just marketing fluff. Another red flag is the visuals used in the marketing. Many of the before and after images and video clips you see are either copied or stock footage. They often appear on multiple unrelated websites selling similar hose attachments. That means the impressive cleaning demos you see might not even feature the product they're selling. If a company can't show authentic demonstrations, it raises serious doubts about their claims. The pricing pattern is also suspicious. The same or very similar hose attachment can be found on wholesale sites like Alibaba for around $1.35, yet the Qinux Aquoxis is sold online for about $66.70. That's a huge markup. Plus, the exact item is marketed under different brand names, like JetFlux Pressure Washer and Qinux Water Blitz, suggesting it's just a generic product being rebranded and resold. Finally, there's the issue of customer feedback. Across nearly all products sold by the same sellers, there's a consistent stream of negative reviews. People report poor quality, products not working as advertised, missing deliveries, and unresponsive customer service. Complaints span a wide range of items, from VR headsets to robot vacuums to heaters and glasses. This pattern of dissatisfaction makes it hard to trust the company behind Qinux Aquoxis. So what's the verdict? While it may not be 100% a scam, the combination of unrealistic claims, vague technology, reused marketing visuals, extreme markup, and widespread negative reviews definitely raises red flags. If you're thinking about buying it, proceed with caution and be aware of what you're really getting. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews and warnings. Stay smart and stay safe.